Hello everyone, welcome to day 13 of our 100 days mathematics conceptual learning challenge. Today we will discuss the another topic related to quadrilateral, that is trapezium. Okay, so we'll focusing today only on trapezium, what are their properties and how to find the area of any trapezium. Okay, so let us start with the concept trapezium. Now you can see in trapezium only one pair of opposite side is parallel. Okay, so you can see only this and this is parallel to each other. Okay, that means the most basic properties of trapezium is that only only one pair of opposite sides are opposite opposite side are sides are parallel. Sorry, is parallel. Is parallel. Okay, now what about the other side? So you can say that these two sides are non-parallel. Okay, so in a trapezium, one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Okay, now if I name this trapezium as A, B, C, D, you can say that AB is parallel to DC. Okay, that means AB and DC are your parallel sides. Parallel sides. Okay, and AD and BC are your non-parallel sides. Parallel side. Okay, now this was the first basic properties of a trapezium. Now, what is the about the second properties? So see, if you look at the angles, angle A and angle D, they are co-interior angle, and the sum of the co-interior angle you will get it as 180 degree. So we can write angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Okay. In the similar way, angle B and angle C will also be equal to 180 degree. Okay. Region we can say that they are sum of co-interior angles. Okay. So this is the second most important property related to trapezium. Now, there is a word isosceles trapezium. What is the meaning of that? Isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. In isosceles trapezium, your non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel sides are equal. Okay. In isosceles trapezium, non-parallel sides are equal, not the parallel sides. Okay. Now, I have to say something about the diagonals also. So in diagonals, you can say there is no relation between both the diagonals. So you can see we have got two diagonals. One diagonal is your BD and your another diagonal is your AD. But there is no relation between diagonals of the trapezium. So I'm writing here note. That means there is no relation between the diagonals of trapezium. But but if it is an isosceles trapezium, then their diagonals are equal. So, but if trapezium is an isosceles trapezium, if trapezium is isosceles, then the diagonals are equal. Then the diagonals are equal. Okay. So we have remembered this, that in a trapezium only one pair of opposite sides is parallel. So we have AB and DC in this trapezium as parallel sides, and AD and BC are our non-parallel sides. Angle A and angle D will be equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. Region, the sum of the co-interior angle is 180 degree. Third point is isosceles trapezium. In isosceles trapezium, non-parallel sides are equal. And I have written in one note regarding the trapezium that there is no relation between the diagonals of trapezium, but if trapezium is isosceles, then the diagonals are equal. Okay. Now, next. How can we find the area of trapezium? See, area of the trapezium can be calculated by the formula of, see, I'm writing here, area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides into distance between them, distance between them. Now, what is the meaning of that? See, in this trapezium, you can say this is your parallel sides. If I write it this as your A and this as your B. So in formula, you can put at 1 by 2 into A plus B. Now, what is distance between them? Always remember the shortest distance between any two things is the perpendicular distance, right? So you can see this line represents the distance between the parallel sides. Why? Because it is 90 degree. So if it is h, I can write h here. Okay? Never take this as an your distance. They are not distance. Okay? Now, so area of trapezium, finally we can write as area of trapezium equal to half into A plus B into H. So where A and B is your parallel sides, that's the length of parallel sides, length of parallel sides, and H is your height, height of trapezium. Okay, next. Now if I give you a question to find the area of a trapezium, suppose this is your 25 centimeter, this is your 15 centimeter, okay, and this is your 10 centimeter. So how will you find the area of trapezium? I can use the formula area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides. So what is sum of parallel sides? One parallel side is 15, another is 25. Into distance between them or the perpendicular height that you can say it is 10 centimeter. So the final answer will be 1 by 2 into 40 into 10. So it is 200 centimeter square. Okay. Now the next question. Now let us find the height of a trapezium if the area and the length of the parallel sides are given. So how will you write? Suppose if I write the question, find the height of a trapezium, find the height of a trapezium whose area is given as 370 centimeter square and the length of parallel sides are parallel sides are 25 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. Okay, now how we can find the value of this height? If one side is given as 25 centimeter and another side is given as 12 centimeter, they are the parallel sides. Okay, and the area of this trapezium is given as 370 centimeter square. Okay, now you can see I can apply the formula area equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, now what is the area? Area is 370 equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides, that is 12 plus 25 into h. So you can say 370 equal to 1 by 2 into 37. 37 into h. This will be cancelled time 10 times. So your h is equal to 20 centimeter. So we have found the height as 20 centimeter. Okay. Now this was all from today's session. Thank you so much for attending this session. If you have any doubts, don't forget to write in the comment box. Okay. See you in the next session. Thank you.